Education is not preparation for life, education is life itself. Today, introduce the UR vowel digraphs. Again, two letters, but it's make a one phoneme sounds, and also English has a 11 vowels letters, and U says a, R says ear, R says ear, a, ear, and it is important to know the correct mouth position so you can get the vowels right. And to make this sound, the correct position of this, lips come in, pushing the lips away from the face, the middle part of the tongue lift towards the right letters and mouth in the middle. Yes, your sound is the middle of the words. Mostly it's come to the middle. Your sounds, it's come to the middle of the words. And look at the board, students. You have the first burn, burn, back, ear, in, burn. And ready for the next? Hurt, 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 hurt. And look at the next word is ear, serve, serve. Yeah. And yeah, see the next word, purple, purple. So one of the color, purple. B, ba, a, ear, ba, il, a, p, p, a, purple, purple. And yes, purple. And look at the side, turn, t, a, ear, in, turn. Please turn the side, turn, yeah, like turn. And f, a, ear, fur, fur. F says f, U says a, R says ear, fur. Yeah, mostly UR is come to the middle of the words, middle of the words, and it's come to the beginning sounds or end sounds. No, mostly it's come to the middle of the sounds. And curl, curl, the elephant, curl the hair, curl. Right. And ready for the next word, burst, burst, ba, a, ear, t, burst, burst. And finally you have purse, purse. You says ah. Yes, open your mouth, stressful in the letters U and R. Purse, purse. Right. pa, a, ear, is, a, purse.